Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine this with me. You have been paid your salary. You go ahead and pay all your bills, school fees, rent or mortgage, your debt. You pay your nanny, everybody's paid. You're looking at your account, it's looking a bit dry, but your bills are paid. And then on the 12th of the month, you see a credit into your bank account. And maybe it's CBK who has gifted you with your interest. Or perhaps it is a company that has paid you dividends and you have some more money in your pocket. We're talking about multiple income streams, preferably passive income streams. Can you imagine? You've seen your account now and you're smiling with me, right? That's what we want to get to. The place where we are not relying on a salary and waiting for it with bated breath to come in so that then we can pay our expenses. And then on the third, we are wondering, okay, how are we going to manage for the rest of the month? We need to get to the place where we have income sources. And this needs to be something that we constantly try and figure out. How am I going to get another income? Where am I going to get another income? What is it that I can do to have another income? Is it invest in a bond, invest in shares, invest in land, invest in a house? What? So that then I can bring in more incomes. Let's pause on that car. I know you love a G-Wagon. Imagine, fantastic car. Or maybe you love a Toyota, or maybe it's a Vitz. I don't know. But how about we change our priorities from status looking things, faucets as I call them. It's okay, you can have a fridge for 15 years. I've had mine for 17 and it's fine, okay? It still works. Sometimes it makes noises, but it's working, okay? I don't need to have another one right now. How can I focus on generating more income streams so that those incomes buy me that fridge that I do like this, okay? Buy me that ticket to Hawaii when I want to go. Buy me whatever it is. Pay my rent when I don't feel like staying in my house anymore and I want to rent it out and stay in a 300,000 house. My income can do that for me. Imagine that with me. Can we work on that? You're asking me how. How can we do that? Just start thinking, how much do you want to earn? What is it that you earn right now? How much do you want to earn a year from now? And let's have that as a goal. And you can decide to write down on a piece of paper today that in a year's time, you want to earn an extra 20,000 shillings. Do you know the mind is amazing? The moment you decide this is a goal I want to have for myself, stick it somewhere you can see every morning, and you begin to see opportunities that can help you to put money aside that can help you earn that money, either through investing or perhaps even trading. Or perhaps a business that you can start that will help you to get there. I wish you all the best. Please feel free to share ideas. Some of you already have passive incomes exceeding your salary. So share with us those opportunities that we can try and see how we can grow. But guys, as people put it, yes, I'll say it, one income is too close to none. So let's find a way to add additional income streams so that we're not saying I only earn 20K, what do I do? Fine, that's where you are now. But what can we target to earn in addition to our 20K so that then we can get to the place of financial freedom? Thank you so much. Have a great day.